Hi friends, I am Joel John and now we are going to do two unboxings of the Amazon packages which I get, and I have already done for one of my speaker, but the problem is it went like I was not aware of the speaker settings fully, so I was unable to speak about that fluently. So that has already been done on two recordings. So I will do another one recording and post that in future. So kindly bear with that. That speaker works really well, but I was unable to do that properly. And now, as usual, taking our scissors and our Amazon cover. And this scissors has a safety cover, as you all know. Those who have viewed my previous videos will be knowing much in detail. So now I am going to uncover this. What's inside? Yeah, this is called Mandala art. There is one art where you draw some ring like structures. So that we can use this designer spirograph geometric ruler drafting tool, craft set school stationery return gifts for children. What this is really is, this is called as in Canva designs. You will be seeing something called as Mandala art. That's what it is, and they have packed it much well. But remove the packing. Here there is some sellotapes. Cutting out the sellotapes. We have got it. So this is the design kit. Again sellotapes. So this designs I will draw and show it to you on a separate video. I do have my drawing pad nearby. Somehow I will try to do something. Oh my god. Yeah, we got it out. So these are the set of rulers, and with this we can draw a lot of art diagrams like this, the ones which are shown inside, right? These kinds of flowers, these kinds of rings we can draw using these rulers. And I don't see anywhere the instruction book. If it's there, it would be great. So without that, I will try to practice and then come up with a new design. So these are the design rulers which are there. I will try to give the Amazon link for purchasing this. There are about 5 set of different designing kit in this one. Okay friends, it's time to say bye, and so Joel Janji signing off from you. Bye. Subscribe, press the thumbs up below the video, wait for the bell symbol, press it, share your comments, press the share icon and share it with all your friends. And finally showing back the Mandala kit. 5. Okay, these are the 5 rulers on that. Okay, bye bye.